Hey there, tech-savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on an electrifying journey to supercharge your smartphone battery. That's right, today we're spilling the beans on some pro tips for maximum life and performance. But hey, don't worry, this isn't a lecture. It's going to be as fun as trying to explain quantum physics to your grandma. So, grab your gadgets, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in.
The battery battle.
All right, let's talk about the eternal struggle, the battery battle. Did you know that, on average, a smartphone battery can last for about 2-3 years before its performance starts to dip? It's like the batteries have their own version of midlife crisis. But fret not, my friends. To squeeze out every last drop of juice from your battery, you've got to treat it like royalty. First up, avoid extreme temperatures. Your phone doesn't want to vacation in the Sahara Desert or the Arctic tundra. It's not a snowbird. Seriously, your phone prefers a cozy room temperature. If you keep it from freezing or roasting, it'll thank you with longer battery life. It's like a spa day for your device.
The power of dim.
Now, let's dim the lights. Did you know that reducing your screen brightness can make a huge difference in battery life? In fact, one study found that lowering your brightness to just 50% can extend battery life by over 30%. Trust me, folks, you don't need to blind yourself just to see your cat videos clearly. Plus, it's not just about saving battery, it's also about saving your eyes from turning into laser beams.
Happy times ahead.
Moving on to happy times ahead. Did you know that some apps are the battery equivalent of a hungry bear during hibernation? Yup, they just keep gobbling up your power, even when you're not using them. So, what's the solution? Well, my friends, it's time to Marie Kondo your apps. If you haven't used an app in months, give it the boot. It's like decluttering your smartphone's closet, and your battery will thank you by dancing a jig.
Background battles.
Now let's dive into the background battles. Did you know that some apps secretly run in the background, plotting to drain your battery without your knowledge? Sneaky little devils. But fret not, my friends. You can put these sneaky apps in their place by going into your settings and controlling their background activity. It's like being the boss of a mischievous gang you call the shots.
Charging chit-chat.
It's time for some charging chit-chat. Now, I know some of you out there love keeping your phone plugged in overnight, treating it like a cozy bedtime story. But hey, did you know that overcharging your phone can actually degrade the battery over time? It's like forcing your grandma to run a marathon every night. Not a good idea.
Fast charge follies.
Speaking of charging, let's talk about fast charge follies. Sure, fast charging is convenient, but it's like giving your battery a shot of espresso every day. It might seem lively, but it's not great for the long run. Slow and steady wins the battery race, my friends. Opt for regular charging when you can, and your phone will age gracefully, like a fine wine.
Battery beast mode.
All right, let's activate battery beast mode. Did you know that your phone has a battery saving mode that can make it last longer when you're running low on juice? It's like turning your phone into a superhero with a cape. And if you really want to go all out, consider carrying a portable charger. It's like having a sidekick to keep your phone going. And there you have it, folks, our pro tips for maximum life and performance. Remember, treating your smartphone battery right is the key to a long and happy tech life. So go ahead, give your phone some love, and watch it shine brighter than ever. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this electrifying episode, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe for more hilarious tech wisdom. Until next time, stay charged, stay awesome, and keep those gadgets smiling. Catch you later, Techies.